welcome back to my channel. I thought it would be so fun to show you guys all the stuff that comes in, mail that comes in from different brands, including new launches. This is the new Osmosis Recovery. We have, I'm not really supposed to show this, but by the time this airs, I can. This is the new SkinBeautiful Alpharette Overnight Body Cream, which feels amazing. The new SkinBeautiful HA Intensifier. I don't think I'm allowed to show that one yet, but so many cool stuff that I'll put into a different video. I just thought it'd be really fun today to show you other things we get from other brands that we don't carry, except this one thing. Lindsay has the new Color Science Lash, which she's gonna use. But other stuff that was sent to us that Lindsay's gonna help me out with today because she knows makeup and I don't. So she's gonna be the one that you do. How do you say this?
Now you're just trying to embarrass me. Sacheau?
I actually like that. So Sacheau sent us 2 lip glosses and 3 lip liners, which is so funny because when I was like, yeah, cool, send it to me. I thought they were like real lip liners, and when we got them, if you guys are on TikTok, they're like the ones that peel off. Yeah. So we'll do those. What we also have is, and this is now a little old, they sent this to me a while ago and I just completely forgot to talk about it. This is the new Urban Decay foundation. Lindsay's gonna put that on. The nicest sponge, right? It's huge. And then they sent both mists.
Oh, nice.
Setting sprays. So one, actually they both say long lasting. Oh, one has a watermelon scent, and then one is 16-hour stay. So Lindsay can decide which one she wants to use.
I feel like you are not going to be about the watermelon scent.
No, I'm not about any of that. And then Merit Beauty sent over their Great Skin Instant Glow Serum. Ooh. Day Glow Highlighting Balm, a signature lip in shade Power, so we'll find out what that color is. And then I'm actually excited about this because I love blush. This is a blush balm cheek color. So we're gonna put those on and tell you guys about them and just chat.
Leah and I were just reminiscing on like all of the things trending right now in pop culture. And somehow we got on talking about how much things have changed. And, you know, it's 2024 and we stumbled upon this BuzzFeed article that was breaking down all the top pop culture moments from 2004. So we thought it would be fun to kind of go through those with you guys and just kind of chit chat while we put on all this makeup.
Yes, go ahead. Lindsay's gonna start because you know me, I'm only wearing SPF as my foundation.
Yeah. So. Number 1 was the biggest film of the year in 2004. It was Shrek 2. Did you ever watch that?
Absolutely. I love Shrek. I'm a huge Shrek fan.
Which is your favorite movie? Which one?
The one where they got married.
Okay, I think that.
Or they had kids.
Oh, gosh, I'm like testing my knowledge here.
I was about to say, I really like the ones with the minions, but that's a separate movie.
I'm surprised you like Shrek so much. I was expecting it to be a spray. So this is Instant Glow Serum. It says shake well, massage 2 to 3 pumps into skin before or after moisturizer.
Has a 2% niacinamide, which isn't really enough for like brightening or like calming the skin of like redness, but hey, you can get 2% somewhere else because we like to see at least like 5%, so my math's strong. You can get 3% hopefully from some other skincare. 4 types of hyaluronic acid, so it's gonna be nice and hydrating and plumping. Caffeine and cocoa. pH balance. How's it feel?
It feels really nice.
Is it more like an oil?
Yeah, it's like an oil. I'm wondering how this is gonna lay under my foundation, but my skin's actually like soaking it in pretty well. I feel like this would be nice to put on your body.
Yeah, I was about to say, this is, oh yeah. Yeah, I can definitely see this on like shoulders, chest, arms. It looks good.
Does it?
Yeah, it looks really good. You look hydrated, you look glowy. Perfect. Okay, now for the important. I'm excited for this part.
Okay. This is the Urban Decay Light Neutral Face Bond Foundation. Oh, she's thick. Look at that, she's like sticking up on her own. Okay, the next thing trending in 2004 was MySpace.
MySpace was also like almost the death of me.
Why?
I was uploading like 40,000 photos.
Stop.
I was, and that's probably why. Like, I'm shocked I don't have like lines around my lips right now from like all the duck photos.
Oh my gosh, yeah. So I also had a MySpace.
Did you?
Yes, of course. I
You were a
loved
little
it.
young,
I
but
was
okay.
young, but you know, just a trendsetter.
Yeah, I know.
Oh wow.
I'm really going in already. I'm nervous.
Wait, be careful. Did you read the instructions?
No.
See, this is how it usually goes.
This is why Lindsay's here to help.
Are your lips hydrated and not chapped?
Correct.
Check. You're supposed to gently exfoliate, wash and dry lips. Trace along the lip line in an even layer. Leave on for up to 20 minutes.
Yeah, that's what I was starting mine.
Oh, maybe I should do mine too.
I did read that part. I thought it was 5 minutes though.
Okay, we're gonna look crazy this whole video.
So yeah, I didn't even get a MySpace till I was probably like 22. I was so late on everything, but in 2004 I was 18. So, you know, you were a trendsetter. I was not. Yeah, this one's way darker than what I thought it was gonna be. I look like I'm actually rocking like 1972.
You're back in MySpace.
I know. This is terrifying. Okay. Yeah, I had 3,000 photos. I love changing my song.
Can we talk about the, what was it, Top Friends?
Yes.
Remember? That was like really insane.
Yeah, I was always like number 8 whenever I was like the last one before it like fell off. I'm like, thank you.
No.
I already feel it like hardening.
Motorola released its iconic razor, which cost $499 at the time. That's a lot.
That is a lot. Yeah.
What was your first phone?
My first phone was a Nokia and was like this tall. It was not a flip phone. I actually still have it.
Really?
I do.
Oh my god. Does it?
I can't get it turned on. Like, I'm sure I could if I could find like a charger for it, but I probably like don't want to see what was on there. I got grounded, and my parents took my phone privileges away, and so my boyfriend at the time bought the phone so I could still talk to him.
Stop. That's true love.
I know, right?
Gosh.
I did. It felt nice. It felt nice to be loved.
What's that?
Oh,
like?
yours is dark too.
I know.
Wow, and that's neutral. How do you think your lip flip's going? Lindsay got a lip flip with like Botox.
It did not do anything.
Really?
Yeah. It's okay.
Or you just maybe don't notice. So you never had a boyfriend get you anything just so they could like be closer to you? Like a house?
You know my luck with men now.
It's not bad. I think I still prefer.
Oh,
You love
I
it?
really love it.
Oh, good. You can use it too. This is Stockholm. It's like a hot pink blush on like blush stick. Yeah, I think I really like that. You probably can't see it from this far back.
Do I look like super pale face?
Yeah, a little bit. Did that turn off? Oh, you were still recording. Wait, not in person though. Hold on.
Do I look really pale?
Yeah. Some recruits. Lindsay needed some bronzer.
I
It's
actually
not
haven't
her
even put
shade.
some on yet.
Yes. Has it been 20 minutes? Oh yeah, we can take this off now. Do we just like rub it off? Does this
No, I think you're supposed to peel it off.
Oh, okay. We can peel it off.
Oh, wait, let's see. Wait.
Oh, it tickles. Ew.
Really?
Yeah, it tickles really bad. I never knew my lips were ticklish.
Oh, it looks good.
What? Right?
Wow.
Yours is gonna look really good. Mine's so uneven. But
Let me see. No, it's really
you
not.
think? Okay.
I feel like it looks scary because it's like so dark, but then you really can't mess it up.
Okay, this is actually something I will use in the future. Wait, before I say that, let me get it all off first. Uh-oh, I don't think I did it thick enough here. I'm gonna rub the rest off.
Okay, I'll do mine.
Okay, so I definitely did it thick enough on the top, not thick enough on the bottom for it to have any staying power, but I actually love this.
This is so satisfying.
I know. Doesn't it tickle?
Oh, it kind of like...
Oh, my tops.
Whoa.
Oh, my top stayed. It's okay. I know for next time. It's my first time. And I'll just put a little gloss on top. Wow!
I know, right? It's crazy.
Maybe you should just do mine next time.
Live Strong bracelets.
Wow. What's that? Oh, I did not have that then.
What?
Mm-mm.
But just like everybody and their mother had one.
Mm-mm. I told you I just got into my jewelry era, so
Uggs.
Have them still, love them. Do you?
Yes, I love Uggs. I want to get a new pair this year.
Yeah, they always have such like cute ones around Christmas time. Okay. Put on the lip gloss in Bunny Tongue.
Oh, that's satisfying.
I love the lip. Oh, that was, wow, yours looks really good. You did yours perfect. So the thing you have to do with that is definitely lay it on thick, which I didn't do. But on the top I did, and I really like it. Wow, I love it.
Yeah.
I wonder if I can see it on camera.
Let me put some gloss on.
Yeah.
My lips are a little dry.
Actually really cool.
Yeah, so I would definitely advise exfoliating your lips first.
Yeah,
Like went into every little crack and crevice in my lip. What else? Setting spray. Oh, my I gotta get going. Okay, I'm trying to do too many things at once here.
Yes, go ahead.
Harris Hilton and Nicole Richie, The Simple Life. That's us.
I did not watch that.
Really? Oh,
No.
What were you doing? Who would you be, Nicole Richie or Paris Hilton?
Nicole Richie.
No,
Paris Hilton.
Paris Hilton. I'd be Nicole Richie.
That's how blonde I just was. I meant to say Paris Hilton. Okay, so I really like this. Not liking the Citrine Day Glow. It didn't do anything.
Yeah, it kind of like took off.
Yeah. So, yes to the Merit Stockholm.
How do you like my lashes?
Oh, it looks so good. So how hard was it to put on? Easy, feel good?
Yeah.
Do a bunch of coats, or you just feel like it was easy peasy? For me, it's all about like the wand.
Yeah, so this is a thick wand, which I feel like gives good volume, which I need. So, but yeah, I would do a couple coats.
Oh, it's really good.
Thank you. Jude Law was named People's Sexiest Man Alive. Are you about it?
No, I just never was about Jude Law. Honestly, it's really hard for me to find like a famous guy that I find attractive, because like I feel like we already know their personality, and for me, personality is so big on like finding you attractive or not. So it's hard for me to find like famous people, men, attractive. What do you think?
Is he British?
He is. So just like close your eyes and listen.
Yeah, there's just something about, you know, a British man that I like.
Have you gone on any dates with any?
No, never. Okay, I love this blush.
Right?
Wow. What do you think about blush blindness?
I have it, and I love it.
I think you do.
I usually have like so much.
But it looks good.
See, I feel like you can either, if you love it and you're confident, then it's fine. But I feel like the people who are like, oh my god, I have too much on, even though it's just a little bit, it's like all on how you carry it and what you think of it is kind of like, for me, how it looks.
I don't like this either.
I know.
It just like wiped away everything I had going on.
Yeah, so guys.
It took away my blush blindness and I want it back.
Yes, I love a blush.
The Friends aired their last episode. You know what's so crazy is like they aired their last episode in 2004, but like Facebook was popular. Like those two things don't seem like they go hand in hand.
That's why probably that did so well, is because nobody had time to sit on social media. They had time to watch shows. But my husband and his whole family are huge Friends watchers. And like he won't watch the last season. He gets like severely.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, like he gets so upset. I'm like, are you okay? Those are actually his friends. And like his sister said when we saw her a few months ago, she won't watch Friends at all now since Chandler or Matthew Perry. That since he died, she won't even watch. I like really dated myself. I think Matthew Fox is from 90210. Oof.
I actually never saw that show. I know.
That actually smells delicious.
I know, it really does. I was like trying to open my mouth a little bit.
It seriously smells like something you get from like Bath and Body Works circa 2004.
But it's a little scary to put on your face. Like I feel like something that smells that good shouldn't go on your face.
Yeah, so we have 1 minute left. Try this one. We got it all in. No, I don't have anything on. That needs setting. That one's 8. You better like your makeup. It's 16-hour wear. Oh, that one smells like perfume, like almost like hairspray. Amazing.
Okay, final looks.
Okay, guys, yeah. So the lip liners are a huge yes.
Yeah, really fun.
Huge yes. And honestly, the setting sprays and of course the color science is always going to be a yes. But yeah, how do you guys like this?